Hey you guys, welcome back to another lash tech vlog. This is gonna be a day in my life as a lash tech. We're low-key well, not that bad. We're gonna be like 12 minutes early, but we are on our way to work. We have 3 clients today. I believe I have 1 new set and 2 fill-ins, and then I also need to go to the post office to drop off some packages. So that's basically gonna be my day today. I want to show you like a realistic day in my life as a lash tech, because I know you guys really like vlogs like this. So yeah, let's head to work right now, and then we're gonna quickly set up before my client gets there. So let's hurry up and get there before she gets there. So I'll see you guys once I get to work. So we made it to work. I am just going to quickly just clear my bags out, because I do have some trays that I need to put away. So I'm just gonna clear my bag out and just get everything set up for when she gets here. It is already 9:57, so she'll be here any minute now. So yeah, let me hurry up.
I'm trying to sleep it off, girl. I see ya. City is pretty when it's dead, just like a flower. What color's the CN Towers? Lit up green, like a heavy in people's eyes. Getting in between, trying to sleep it off, but I just see you in my dreams. The city is pretty when it's dead, just like a flower. What color's the CN Towers? Red tonight, just like the text I sent you from the bed tonight. Read it 'cause
I need you poolside, you've been on my mind. What if you want mine? It don't matter anyway. I like your soft side, I like you on top. You make my heart stop. You make being me less hard. Got to quit my job. When I take it, that's just how you gotta do. I'm addicted, that's why I keep calling you. Diamond boy, why you so shiny? Diamond boy, gon' get behind me, rodeo. Diamond boy, your light so blinding. Baby, if it's only tell me, am I saying too much? And baby, if it's only tell me, am I saying too much? Baby, if it's only to tell me, am I doing too much? Probably if it's only was only to tell me. I need you poolside. You've been the one. What if you won't mind? It don't matter anyway. I like your soft side. I like you on top. You make my heart stop. You make being me less hard. Got to quit my job. When I take it, that's just what you gotta do. I'm addicted, that's why I keep calling you. Diamond boy, why you so shiny?
So I just finished my 2 clients. I have one more left, and then we might go out with my friends. I'm trying to see if the outfit that I have on is appropriate, so I'm just waiting for her to see if my friends can let me know if I'm okay to wear that. If not, we're gonna go home and eat. But yeah, I'll see you guys when my 3rd client gets here.
Baby, you've been so late to tell me. Am I doing too much? Probably it was only to tell me. It was only to tell me.
Okay, so we made it back home for the day. I'm trying to fix y'all up. I am about to get ready to hang out with my friends real quick. So I'm just gonna put on some light makeup and wet my hair a little bit more. Right now it is 5:04. I want to leave this house at like 6 o'clock because I know it's gonna be traffic. So leave it at 6, get there at 7. We're doing this like wine tasting thing, so I think I'm gonna change into some jeans and probably like a white top. I don't know what I'm wearing yet, so we'll figure it out once I'm done with my makeup. Yeah, I'm gonna do primer first. I need to get a new primer because I think all my primers are done. I just have this one left, which is the Pore Professional Pore Primer. I had this for a while. I do not even like this primer because it feels like, I don't know. It has that like feeling. Yeah, I'm gonna do my brows real quick just to show you guys, and then I'm gonna finish my makeup off camera because I want to listen to some music. I'm not gonna put too much makeup on today. I'm literally just gonna do like light foundation, light concealer, just because I haven't really been wearing so much makeup lately, unless like I really like, unless like it's like a night out. But like during the day or like even hanging out with my friends, I don't do the whole foundation and the whole yada yada. I really just been doing like the no foundation look, which is less makeup, and I like that. I just use the spatula thing from Elf and push my brows even up higher, and it also takes away all the excess product. Like you can see, all that excess product, it also removes that, so like it's not stuck on your face. And then it's nice and sticky. I'm gonna go in with my Sasha Buttercup powder, just literally light like this, just to press that on my brows so it can set. Because the one thing I also hate as well is a shiny eyebrow. I'm using this hair like eyebrow pen. It doesn't have a brand or anything, but this is what this is. And it basically has in brushes, so you can have like hair like strokes on this side, and on the other side is also like that as well. Perfect. And then like I said, I'm about to finish doing my makeup, and then I will see you guys when I'm ready to get dressed. So this is what I ended up wearing. So I'm just wearing my top. I still need to wet my hair, so and my lips. I'm just wearing this top that I got from Skims, and then these leather pants that I got from Zara. This is the bag, and I'm gonna wear my Samba sneakers. I'm gonna pack my glasses. Don't really need my headphones, but I'm gonna pack that too. I'm gonna pack my DJI camera because I'm not gonna bring this camera with me. I'm gonna make sure I have my memory card because last time I brought her to vlog, I think it was this morning, I brought her to vlog, and I don't know what morning, I don't know if it was this morning or something. Maybe it was this morning, I don't know. But I brought her to vlog and I forgot to have my memory card in here. So My memory card's in there. Keys. And we're good to go. I'll see you guys in the road.
Somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? Yeah. It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you and I'm alone. Part of me that cared is gone, and I know that I can't.
Finally made it back home. Thank God, y'all. It started pouring outside. Like, it rained so crazy here in Georgia, but thank God I made it back home safe and sound. I am about to take my makeup off and go to bed because we have work again tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching my vlog, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.